So I have this new phone mounting system from Lamicall that holds your phone in your car, and the way that it works is like magic. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. So this comes in from Lamicall, a company that has a lot of really cool phone mounting accessories, but this one for sure will make your life so much easier in your car. And here it is. You get the case that fits your phone, and you can pick which phone it is on their website so that you get the correct fit. The case feels very quality made, and it gives you this little mechanism on the back for mounting. And this is the car mount. Well, actually it's two that you can choose from. You can use the suction cup mount or the vent mount. The suction cup one, you can actually fully adjust and get it exactly how you want. It also even has extra length to fit your needs. The vent mount is awesome. They have this little system where you can just lengthen this little middle vent holder part, and then you can tighten it up in place, and it just locks in perfectly. Like, this thing is not gonna go anywhere. You can get just the car phone mount, or you can upgrade to the wireless charger version. And this works great for phones with wireless charging. And also just makes it so much more convenient because you just put your phone on there and it's gonna automatically charge without having to plug any extra lightning cables in. The mounting mechanism is like magic. It magnetically pulls the phone into it and it just locks it in place. You can even adjust the angle from portrait to landscape depending on what you need it for. And to pull it off, you just twist it. And I've never seen anything like that. It's an amazing idea and it works really well. Not to mention that it's extremely convenient, so you don't have to worry about your phone falling off in the middle of your drive. So all in all, it's an awesome system that works really well, and it comes in at $68, including the case and wireless charger. And for a limited time, there is a 10% discount code, which I'll put down in the description, plus also the link so you can find it easily. They also have some other mounts that work really good with the system, so once you have the case, you can just go from mount to mount with ease, not just in your car, but you could have it at your desk or kitchen or bathroom or wherever you want it. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
We're playing.